Yes, like I said, we are now learning that the death toll has gone up to 13 in the Delhi blast. Yesterday, we showed you those pictures. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also met with the injured, with the survivors of the Delhi blast at the LNJP hospital. Some who were recovering well, but some who were also in a critical condition. And in the latest, the confirmed number of casualties are now 13. 13 people who lost their lives in the Delhi blast. I'd also like to bring in my colleague Shreya, who continues to stay with us on the broadcast. But before that, more details that are trickling in, and we'll all take this to Shreya, as another CCTV footage that has come to light on India Today. On camera, where it was seen how Dr. Umar was wrecking Connaught Place. We were just talking about that. This was the outer circle of Connaught Place. The bomber, Umar, who was in that I-20 that is laden with explosives. He was seen driving that car packed with explosives in the outer circle of Connaught Place, which is the heart of Delhi. He was seen driving this I-20, and that too in the middle of the road at 10:05 a.m. on the Connaught Place outer circle. Remember, Parliament House is just 3 kilometers from Connaught Place. I want to go back to Shreya on both these things that we just told our viewers. Unfortunate, the death toll that has further mounted to 13, now 13 lives lost in the Delhi blast. And of course, how these terrorists were looking for other high-profile targets, prominent locations in the national capital, such that the impact would be much stronger, and a very high possibility, Shreya, like we've been discussing, that CP could have been one of them, could not have been one of them, but the fact that this car was comfortably moving at this hour of the day, laden with explosives, went unmissed. I beg your pardon.
Well, you know, Suvisha, as I talk about this, as a Delhiite who probably visits the Connaught Place every second day, it's very difficult to sink in that this is the road that was used by that terrorist before he went to Red Fort, where he detonated that I-20 car. We're getting you that visual, establishing the outer circle of the Connaught Place region where that CCTV camera has been captured. This is the same stretch that we have on that CCTV where Umar-un-Nabi can be seen moving with his I-20 car unfazed. The reason we say unfazed, because we also have a glimpse of him where he's walking freely at that masjid at Turkman Gate. No amount of fear on his face. This man was absconding. Even after that, he could move his car from the poshest of location of the national capital. Connaught Place is the heart of Delhi. From here, he was driving unfazed in the afternoon. Once again, I'll ask my cameraman to pan the location. Ankit, if you can show this exact place from where that CCTV was captured. This is the man, Umar-un-Nabi, the terrorist who killed 12 innocent lives detonating an I-20 car, was seen moving at that Connaught Place juncture where I'm standing right now. And then he moved to the Turkman Gate Masjid, Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid, where we are suspecting that he offered the namaz. That CCTV is even scary because he has no amount of fear on his face. He prays over there for 10-15 minutes. But before that, Suvisha, we are also learning that in and around Connaught Place, he's waited for 15 minutes. Where did he go? That is also something that the Delhi police is right now understanding. They are piecing together the CCTV mapping of the Connaught Place region as well, because we are being told that even in Connaught Place, in the vicinity of this area, poshest of location of the national capital, he did spend 15 minutes. Did he meet anyone? Why did he stop for 15 minutes? We will also have that answer very shortly. But this is something which is a big scare factor for the citizens of the national capital.
Oh yes, absolutely, Shreya. Thank you for getting us the latest there.